Hi foodies! Welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Today we'll be making Mooli Sabji, and this request was sent to me by Harpreet on Instagram. This video falls under our Requested by You series, so if you would like to follow along, please continue watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you think someone else might enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it with them. And if you'd like to leave a request, please let me know in the comment section below or send me a DM on Instagram. For this recipe, we'll need 2 to 3 green chilies, coriander, also known as dhania, 1 medium-sized onion, salt to taste, turmeric, also known as Haldi, Kitchen King Masala, red chili powder, Ajwain, and lastly, we'll need 2 mooli. We'll start off by washing the mooli and then we'll cut off the ends. Next, we'll lightly peel off the skin like I'm doing so. Once that's been done, we're gonna grate the mooli. Next, we're going to squeeze out the water from the mooli, so I'm just going to take a pot and place a cheesecloth on top. Put my grated mooli in there and squeeze it until it's completely dry. I'm not going to throw out the mooli water because I'm going to use it to make mooli alle parathe, but feel free to spill this if you like. Now we're ready to make our mooli and the sabji. So what I did is I took a pan, added some oil in it, added my green chilies, and we'll just let that saute for about a minute or two. Next, I added the onions, and we'll just let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a goldenish brown color. Then I added half a tablespoon of ajwain, Next, I added half a tablespoon of haldi. Originally, I only added half a tablespoon of salt, but once I tried it, it needed more salt, so I added another half a tablespoon of salt. Then I added half a tablespoon of red chili powder, and we'll just let the masala cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my grated mooli in there, and we'll just mix that together. And at this point, it takes another 10 to 15 minutes to cook, depending on how cooked you like them. After about 4 to 5 minutes of cooking it, I add a lid on top. I let steam build up so it's not too dry, and I occasionally stir it. And after about 10 to 15 minutes, I add half a tablespoon of Kitchen King Masala. And we'll just mix that together and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And lastly, we'll add our coriander in there. And our Mooli Sabji is ready. When I got this request, I was so excited that someone else knew what Mooli Sabji was because a lot of my friends around me don't know what this is and they've never tried it. I grew up eating this and I would often get it for lunch, wrapped up in a roti, and only my Malay friends knew what this was. So I'm so excited to share this recipe and I think it's so healthy, it's so good for you, and it's something different. So if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.